Welcome to a little help for the observe assignment this week. We are doing another CER. Y'all are getting really good at this. So here is what I'm going to break down is the structure here. First thing is stop if you have not done the do or the reading assignment. If you've not done the other two assignments this week yet, do those first. That'll make this one go a lot smoother. So this is going to be the last one you do of the week. What we're doing here is we're investigating a question. We're trying to come up with an answer using the CER format, the claim evidence reasoning format. So here is our situation. We are suddenly put in charge of feeding Cottage Grove. We have a limited space of land and where we can produce food, so we need to decide what food we're going to make. We want to be able to make the food that gives the most energy to the most amount of people, the most amount of calories. So you have two options. We can grow corn and feed everybody with corn, or we can grow corn, feed it to chickens, and then give those chickens to everyone. Those are our two options. But we have the same amount of space we have to use for both of these. So we need to figure out which one is more efficient. We use this diagram as evidence. So this is showing us the different levels of energy it takes to get from corn to chicken up to humans. So this thing is most important if we're thinking about the new science principles we've learned in our other assignments. So make sure you're thinking about the kind of things we've talked about in the other two assignments, the other rules that can make making a CER much smoother. So this last part, we need to make a clear claim. Which food is most efficient for feeding Cottage Grove? So an example would be, I think chickens is the most efficient way to feed Cottage Grove. Or you could say, not say I think, just say corn is the most efficient way to feed Cottage Grove. You're making a statement, you're making a claim. Then use some evidence. This is the tricky part. We're grabbing evidence from this diagram. Okay, and then reasoning is where we explain ourselves. We use some scientific principles that we know. We use some science ideas. We explain why our evidence proves our claim. Y'all can do this. Y'all are good at CERs. If you're having any trouble, just holler at me. I would love to help you out. Good luck.